Good morning, dears. Look at question number 6 from exercise 11.1. Here it says, prove that the figure obtained by the joining the midpoints of adjacent side of a rectangle is a rhombus. Now, exercise 11.1. Question number 6. Let ABCD is a rhombus. Rectangle is a rectangle in which P, Q, R and in which P, Q, R and S are midpoints of sides AB, BC, CD and DA respectively. To prove PQRS is a rhombus. Now just I'm joining PQRS. Okay. Now I am constructing the diagonals AC and BD. Solution. Let diagonals AC and BD constructed. So, in triangle ADC, SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC. And in triangle ADC and ACB, ABC, PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC. So, SR is equal to PQ, situation number 1. You can see now, these are the midpoints according to midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem, this is also midpoint theorem. Because this line is a midpoint, this is a midpoint, so this is parallel to the third side and half of third side. So this is also, if these two points are midpoint, so this is half of parallel to AC and half of AC. So they purposely they would be equal, SR would be equal to PQ, situation number 1. Again, in triangle ABD and triangle DBC, SP parallel to BD and SP is half of BD. Why? Again midpoint theorem. And RQ parallel to BD and RQ is half of BD, midpoint. So that's what SP would be equal to RQ, situation number 2. Now we have got two situations. First, where we proved SR and PQ is equal. Second, we proved SP and RQ is equal. And as we know, the diagonals of rectangle are equal, so their halves also would be equal. As we know, diagonals of rectangle are equal, so they halves. So half of AC is equal to half of BD. That's what SR is equal to PQ is equal to SP is equal to RQ. So we proved if all the four sides are equal, what does it mean? That's so PQRS is a rhombus. They are parallel to each other. Already SP is parallel, RQ is parallel. So SP parallel to RQ also. Here also SR and PQ are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. All the four sides are equal. So the figure is a rhombus. PQRS is a rhombus, is proved. Look at question number 7. Where we have D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA of an isosceles triangle. Question number 7. Now it is given in an isosceles triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. DEF, D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC. Given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. D, E, F are midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively. To prove triangle DEF is an isosceles triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, E and F are midpoints of BC and AC. So that's what EF is a parallel to AB and EF is equal to half of AB. I can write according to midpoint theorem. Situation number 1. Now this would be parallel to this because this is the midpoint, this is the midpoint. So these two lines would be parallel and this will be half of AB. Again, D and F are the midpoints. D and F are midpoints of AB and AC. So DF would be parallel to BC and DF would be half of BC. Why? According to midpoint theorem. This is situation number 2. Now First we know AB and AC is equal. So their AB and BC were equal. So their halves also would be equal. Is it? From 1 and 2, half of AB is equal to half of BC, as AB was equal to BC. So if half of AB is equal to half of BC, so what can we see? EF is equal to DF. This side and this side is equal. So that's what DEF is an isosceles triangle. Proved. These two sides were equal, so their halves also would be equal. This will be equal to this, so this will be an isosceles triangle. DEF is an isosceles triangle. Please write it. So you leave it up to here only. Next day we'll be solving next sum. If there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.